my house. I fix your favorite dishes, hoping this good food fills ya. Work my hands to the bone in the kitchen alone. You better eat if it kills ya. Everybody eats when they come to my house. All of my friends are welcome. Don't make me coax you, moax you. Eat the tables, the chairs, the napkins, who cares? You gotta eat if it chokes you. Everybody eats when they come to my house. Everybody eats when they come to my house.
Bit of sugar. A little bit of chicken season, right? Chicken flavor. Salt?
No.
Seasoning. More seasoning. Finally, some tomato sardines. These are good with eggs too.
All that and no potatoes just ain't right. Like green tomatoes.
Some whole sardines in there, but we want to get everything out of that can. We have tamarind, chili, and garlic, and water. Is that water? Is that just water? Yeah.
Mấy đại luộc.
Who needs salt and pepper?
Cái này dân lia thầm thời chứ đang cùng xong này. Thôi thầm đang lại chỉ ăn đây.
Super.
Ah,
Okay.
a little bit of sugar. And over here we have some beef sausage, right? Beef sausage?
All that and no potatoes just ain't right. Like green tomatoes. Yeah, I'm wasting half a table for all that meat and no potatoes. All that meat, no potatoes.
Bring it to the lunch table.
Cơm.
And boom. Sounds like Vietnamese. Oh,
Bamboo shoot with fish leg.
with fish legs, yeah. Bamboo shoot with some fish legs. We're joking about that. Some dried beef. Right here, dried beef. Underneath it, there's some dried fish. Dried fish. And they just grilled it to make it hot, make it crispy. Of course, we have some rice. And this magic sauce right here. No salt and pepper. This is the seasoning.
All that meat and no potatoes.
You want to try?
Yeah, oh, certainly.